Good morning, this is Anthony, the Dad Outnumbered, and I am really excited to try this out. Most of you may not know, but I love the Insta360 camera line. I was excited when I got the Insta360 Go, and even more excited when I got the Insta360 Go2, but I had some terrible issues with jello and vibration in the footage, so I never used it. But I'm excited because now I got some Freewell filters that came through Amazon. They're around 26 bucks, and I was really excited to give these a try. Hopefully, when I mount them to my drone, I could have better footage, and I'm really excited to give it a try because I really like this camera and I want it to work for me with my FPV footage. Let's see how it came out. Well, I got a chance to take a look at the footage on the iPhone through the Insta360 Go app, and it looked pretty good. It looked a lot better than it did in the past, where I had a ton of vibration and a lot of jello. Hopefully the video came out better than I expected, but I hope to be able to use this more often than not because it's such a small form factor, really light for my lightweight drone setups, and gives you a longer flight time because of it being a lot lighter than a GoPro. Hopefully everything will continue to work out great. I'll continue to test it, but I appreciate you watching the video. Please like, leave a comment, subscribe. Thanks, and fly safe.